Hello, this is Mr. O, and I'm going to show you now how you can start actually designing and drawing and sketching on Fusion 360. So the first thing we do is we notice we have a grid here. We're in three-dimensional view, and with our view cube on the right, you will see that we are actually in three-dimensional mode. So I move my cursor over to Create Sketch. I click on that, and you'll see it gives me three different little views. If I select this one here that I want to start drawing in, most of the time you would draw in one of the views, either top, front, or a left or right side view. This is the front view, top view, this is the front view, and that is a side view. I'm going to choose the top view. So you'll see the axis will rotate around to show me I am now looking from the top at my drawing. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to start from the center point there. But before I go there, you'll notice that I'm now about to start sketching. Fusion 360 brings up a sketch palette menu box. Now sometimes you might want to be able to sketch without this. If I click this, unclick this, you'll see that sketching grid goes away. I actually prefer, it gives me a good guide and it gives me an idea of what is up and what is down. Snap. This feature, when you start to draw with any one of these drawing or create tools, will actually make my cursor align to the sections, the crosshairs over there. So if I just briefly choose a line, with Sketch, you'll see it locks in on a certain area. It really snaps to that cross. It actually is quite an easy way to operate initially when you are drawing and sketching on Fusion. I can select it to go away, and you'll see sometimes it does not snap. Although when you start drawing, my suggestion is you have it on snap and you always start from the datum point or that center origin point of your axes. And I think you're about to begin. I will quickly draw a couple of dots, or sorry, a couple of lines. And you'll see once you've done your drawing, I'll push escape to stop creating a single line. Go over to finish sketch. The drawing resorts back to three-dimensional mode, and I've just created some random triangle. Hope that helps.